Greetings from Dystopia, episode 63. Came out to the park, got my walk in. It's another warm day today. But, hey, what is it? Any day you're above ground is a good day? No, it's actually really nice. As you can see, there's little puffy clouds everywhere. I brought the chuck box out, the kitchen box, whatever you want to call it. So this is the first rev. Just cleaned it real good yesterday, lined it with the bubbly shelf liner, the foam looking shelf liner, because it's a black box, so I want to be able to see things easily against the bottom of it. And yeah, that's it. So let me turn the camera here and we'll show you guys inside the box. Okay, so what I've done with the box is inside the camp box now. We have this larger bin, just a can opener, extra gripper, a pair of the all-around scissors, of course the ever-essential toilet paper, spare pack. This is I forget, it's either a 10 or a 15 liter pack that folds down inside the zip bag. Lines in a Dyneema lines in a Dyneema bag. That's for the 10 by 10 tarp. This is more or less the cleaning compartment, although I have a spare or the smaller gripper in there as well as the larger one. Also has some silicone measuring cups. These actually come in pretty handy as far as camping. Up front in this compartment, just ferrocerium fire strikers. Grandpa's fire fork, light my fire. This is the second set now that I've bought. It's just a spring-loaded piece of steel. You find a stick, put it up in there and let it go, and now you've got a fire fork. If you don't know, make sure you use hardwoods, not pine, when you're using a fire fork. I have an extra knife sharpener. Over on the other side, another one of my multi-tools. Forks, knives, some seasonings there. Again, this is the same one we talked about on another one, the Gerber suspension. I thought I had two, came to find out I had three of them. I didn't realize I had an extra one in my kitchen box, so now that's there. Down in the bottom, I put in this cutting board and my water filters. Set those off to the side a little bit. This is the GSI outdoor kitchen set I showed you guys one time. So that's all there to keep everything together. GSI Dualist. I have my teapot, titanium pan, wok. You can kind of see it there, an extra isobutane can. Covia Spider stove. Also have a small MSR that I keep in here. If I need just to cook a small pot, just water or whatever, I pull out this one rather than pulling out the big one. I cleaned that thing not long ago, trying to get it to clean up, but it's prettier than it was. And then over on the other side, I've got the orange one is a titanium pot. There's another titanium pot. Back in the corner, my collapsible firebox stove. This is the small version. Whoops, I love these things. And that's kind of sums up the bottom of it. I mean, it's all your pots and pans and fuel are down there. I also have a small picnic blanket, camp towel set, some aluminum foil, another fire fork. Cutting board goes back in. Water treatment. Extra water bags. I've had those Sawyer squeeze bags just explode when you're putting water in them. Put my most important thing, the coffee, back in. And that's it. Nice and collapsed. Works pretty good. All right, folks. That's kind of it for today. It was just a quick show off of the box. I was pleasantly surprised this morning to look at the statistics for yesterday's episode. So episode 62, it was just the slideshow, more or less, of the first 60 episodes, all of the still shots that I took. Not all of them, but a few of them. I did catch a couple of repeats when I watched it back later, but that's all right, it happens. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. The view time was at better than 95% of the length of the episodes. So that was kind of cool. I had a lot of fun, and there was a lot of memories coming back watching those pictures, because I was like, oh yeah, I remember that, or I remember that, or this is where I had to run to get that, and this is how I did that shot, or even recalling, the smells of spring, that wetness, it's kind of like the fall smell, but it's a little sweeter. I don't know how to describe that, but it's things coming back to life, so it's pretty cool either way. All right, guys, that's it. I will get this out to you today and probably be on the bench later tonight after dinner. I'm going to grill up. Don't know what yet. Hamburgers, hot dogs, probably sausage. Not a good diet day, but it's Memorial Day. Don't forget, it's not about the veterans that are living. Memorial Day is about the people that have gone before us. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, that's it for today. Be good, be well. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.